How to make money with Metroopinion. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money using metroopinion.com. So let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let me introduce you a little bit to the website. Metroopinion.com is an online platform where you can get paid for filling up some research surveys or some research forms for different people. So it is very easy to getting started with Metroopinion. You just have to go on to your browser, search for metroopinion.com, and here you can see that you have paid surveys, that is earn money online, and it is work from home. Get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. You can basically sign up, then you have to answer. You will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly, your answers are anonymous, and you can get paid. When you reach the payment threshold, you can get paid with one click. So what our users say about us, here you can see there are some testimonials of the users. Earn money online, it is easy with Metroopinion. And here you can see payment for service is easy. You can you can basically get paid by PayPal, voucher, or you can donation your earnings to good cause is a great idea. Okay, so or you can also donate your cause, you donate your money to the good cause. That is also an option when you are using Metroopinion. It is a work from home opportunity. And how much can you earn by working from home? You will get paid for every survey you participate in. It is a solid side income. At Metroopinion, we make it very easy to work from home by doing surveys, etc., and you can earn as much as you want by working from home by filling in as many surveys as you want. Answer surveys on desktop, tablet, or smartphone, so there is no categorization of a gadget as well. And you can sign up and start earning, and you can see that easy job for students to earn money, additional income, etc. So these are all the best things that you can use the Metroopinion for. So how you can basically continue, first of all, you have to choose your country. Just click on this option. I have to choose the country that I'm residing in right now so they can get started using Metroopinion. Okay, so here you can see that work from home. Now after choosing my country, they have told me get up to $3.5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. I'm going to click on this option which says start here so that I can complete the signing up process. I have to provide an email, then create a password. By repeating the password, then I have to register. So I'm going to fill in these details quickly and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so here you can see that congratulations, you're one step closer to earning. Please check your inbox and verify your email to get started. So now I have to go into my emails and I have to see the email and get verified. For that, I'm going to open my inbox. Okay, so after confirming my email, I have opened my login page and now I'm going to enter in my email address that I have added, and then I'm going to add in the password, and then I'm going to go on and log into my account to start earning on Metroopinion. Click on login. So here you can see that I don't have any survey history right now and my profile is still not completed. So I'm going to go on to my profile and now I have to add in the options. To match with survey opportunities, we need following information. Gender, I have to add in my date of birth, and then I have to add the postal code of the country that I am in right now. And then I'm going to click on agree, and then I'm going to click on update. And here you can see that now the kind of we have to update how we handle some of your personal data. So you have to basically go on and check in all these privacy settings, which is I agree to participate in surveys and other market search activities. Use cookies. I agree to collect and sharing of mobile advertising identifiers. Third-party cookies. Share my profile. You can basically check off that in the collection. Okay, so I'm just going to click on update. After checking some of these fields, basically you go on and take a thorough reading of whatever they have written so that you know better that if you want to check in or check out of all of those settings. Then you have your profile. So in you have household, you have questions related to occupation, auto, electronics, hobbies and interests, food and beverage, media, healthcare, region, research. So there are a lot of things that they want to add onto your profile. The reason of that is because when they are looking for the surveyors, for the people who want to fill some kind of surveys, they basically match your allocated kind of surveys with the settings, with the knowledge about yourself that you have provided on your profile. And the best match surveys are something that you're going to look at the top of the surveys, and the surveys that don't match your profile are you're not gonna see them. So some of the surveys require some kind of specific occupation. Some kind of surveys require you to be in a specific area, so the things that you don't fit in won't be available for you to fill in, because that will make it wrong. So I'm just going on to the occupation profile option of the profile, and here you can see that approximately how many employees work at organizations. This is also unanswered. So let's say that I want to answer that, and here you can see that I've got a list of the things, approximately how many employees work at your organization, all locations. I don't know, I don't work, or I don't know, or I how many employees, let's say 2 to 5 employees or 6 to 10 employees work at my organization. Then you have another question, which is, do you use smartphone for business purposes? How many cars does your organization purchase? How would define price range of the car your organization purchases leases for their employees? So there are a lot of questions that you can answer. Then you can go on to surveys from here. Here you can see that you have an option of surveys. Open that. So because I haven't provided any kind of history about myself into my profile, that's why there are no surveys at the moment for me that are available for me to fill and that will make me money. So I'm just going to continue and keep making your profile by adding all of these options: healthcare, change password, privacy settings, and then you'll be able to get the service. So this is basically the home. Then you have a page which is about us, where you can learn about Metro Opinion. Then you have blog, then you have FAQ, and then you have about surveys. Open that, and here you're going to find all of the details about the service and how you can get paid and everything. And once you have logged in, completed your profile, what you can do is you can set up your payment as well on Metro Opinion. The best way you can get paid is through PayPal, because it is available in a lot of countries, and you can basically affiliate your bank with PayPal. So whenever you are going to meet a specific threshold and threshold of the reward of or the income that you have generated through Metro Opinion, you can transfer all of that money. You can basically check out all of that money from your PayPal. You can check out all of that money from Metro Opinion, and you can get it directly into your PayPal account. And from there, it is affiliated with your bank, so you can get it into your bank, and then you can basically withdraw the money whenever you want. So this is a very good extra cash that you can use on daily purpose, because you just have to invest like 1 hour or 2 hours in this work, and you're going to fill in like each individual survey doesn't cost more than 15 minutes of your time. So if you take out 15 minutes per survey, then you are going to definitely complete 4 surveys per hour, making it of 2 for 2 hours. You can complete 8 surveys and getting paid an extra $5 for each survey. That is going to make a whole $40 per day extra cash for you. This is just a very rough estimate that I have just made or realized, because I want to tell you how much money you can make with Metro Opinion. But depending upon the amount of work that you do, or depending upon the more and more service that you can finish in time, you can make a lot of more money than only $40. And this is just something that you have done by giving out the information that you already had about yourself, or about your work, or about your surroundings, and that's it. So it is that easy to make money with Metro Opinion. Please go on and check it out. Go on and sign up, because signing up is also very easy, and start making your profile, get the service, answer the service, and you are going to have some extra cash in your account. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.